Oh, hey, what are you doing out here? Yeah, I was actually coming out here to do the same thing. Yeah, I usually love just chilling in the rain. I don't know, it helps clear my mind. So, what are you out here thinking about? Ah, yeah, yeah, makes sense. I've been thinking about the future a lot too. Well, I just finished up listening to some music and writing some new demos for my solo project, Crystallize. But no, I don't know. I've just been in my room all day playing guitar, basically. Needed some fresh air, I guess. Give my fingers a rest. I mean, I hope I get big. I mean, it's my dream to play my music around the world for the people who really need to hear it, you know? I know that a lot of people out there have been through similar situations like I have, and they need to hear the words that I've written. I know that they want to be heard. You want to hear a little bit of what I've written? I mean, okay. One of the things that I've written down is soar the sky, you fly so high. I hope that you can mesmerize all the feelings. I don't know. It's under wrap, but you know, I think it's pretty good for the time being. So I'm not exactly gonna complain. I know that, you know, my music isn't for everybody. You know, not everybody's into post-hardcore, like with all the screaming and just the heavy guitar and stuff like that. I don't know. I know it's not for everybody, but I love what I do, and I'm not gonna stop until I reach the top. There's so many people that I look up to, and I want to join the Hall of Fame with them. Ooh, that's a good question. I think it would be pretty cool uh, if I could play like a show in LA or something, but I'll probably start off with local shows around here. It seems the most logical. I I really hope I make it big, man. Like, I feel like this is what I was meant to do with my life. Is create music for people. And I have the talent and I have the dedication. I just need to stop being a little procrastinating little bitch and actually get shit done. Dude, yeah, there's so many just unfinished demos on my laptop that I need to just throw vocals over and release because I know people want to hear shit. But I'm my own worst critic, and half the time I think my vocals sound pretty shit. Especially when I try to scream and actually sound good. I can sound good as fuck in rehearsal, but as soon as it comes to actually trying to lay down some shit on a track, I sound like absolute dog shit. It's kind of a blow to my self-esteem, but anyway, man, I hope you're able to get the shit off your mind like I was able to get shit off mine. See ya.